Hey, what's up? I'm Ryan, and in this video I'm going to show you how to apply transforms in Blender. Applying transforms in Blender is a fundamental process that often gets ignored or overlooked, which is crazy because a lot of the issues people seem to have, especially beginners, are all related to it in some way. I've had countless questions and have seen so many posts related to this subject, so I definitely thought it was worth covering. So applying your movement, rotation and scale is very important. It's also very easy. If you don't apply them, it can cause many issues when modeling, animating and exporting. It can also bleed into things like modifiers, simulations and particles. So with that out of the way, let's jump into Blender and take a look. So we have this scene here with two cubes. Let's select one of these cubes and scale it up. Now if we look to the right here, it shows us that our scale is 2. Think of this value as Blender specific only. So in Blender its scale is 2, but in Unity or Unreal or any other piece of 3D software, the scale would default back to 1 since we haven't confirmed or applied anything. So in order to apply the scale, we'll select the object, go to Object, Apply, and we can select Scale or Apply all transforms. So that would include position and rotation too. But for now we'll just select scale. So now if we look back at our scale value, you can see that our scale value is back to 1, but our model has kept its size. So it's applied the scale to the model, so that value is now baked into this object. So if you were to bring this into a game engine now, it would import with a larger scale already applied. So as you can see, it's not that complicated, but is easily forgotten about. So apply your changes, otherwise you will run into a world of issues. So I hope you found this video helpful. Feel free to give it a like, and if you have any questions or run into any issues, leave a comment down below and I'll try and help you out. That's all from me. I'll see you around.